Hey guys, I'm back with another look with the Amrezy palette, and to be honest, I'm really loving this palette, so I'm gonna be putting out a few more videos, so please stay tuned. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. I'm gonna start by prepping my eyes with my Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer, and I'm pressing this in with my finger. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with my MAC Single Shadow in the shade Nylon. I'm gonna pick up the shade New Yorker with my Morphe R38 brush, and I'm buffing this into the crease and blending it up. Then I'm gonna pick up Simsa with a brown blending brush, and I'm gonna keep this shade closer to the crease. Now I'm picking up Hugo with my Morphe M506 brush, and again I'm keeping this shade closer to the crease. Then with the same brush, I'm picking up BK and I'm focusing this shade on the outer lid, and I'm also going to be blending it slightly into the crease just so that I have an even transition. To cut my crease, I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and my Morphe M170 brush. It makes me cringe so bad when there's like a harsh line between the concealer and the shadow. So yeah, we're gonna make sure to blend that in really well, and then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M506 once again without picking up extra product and blending it out a little bit more. I'm picking up Dragon with my NYX Dual Silicone Applicator, and I'm pressing this in over the concealer. Now with the same brush, I'm picking up Liddy and I'm pressing this in over Dragon. And I really am loving this palette, but these glitter shades I was really not a fan of. They weren't really sticking to the lid like I'd want them to. Now I'm taking Simsa into the lower lash line with my Morphe M124 brush, and I'm smoking that out. Now I'm picking up Cupcake with my Dual Silicone Applicator and adding that over Simsa. I'm adding a little bit of barb to the inner lower lash line just to give it a little bit of pop. Now finishing off the eyes, I'm curling my lashes with my MAC Eyelash Curler. Tightlining my eyes with my Wet n Wild pencil liner in the shade Baby Scott Black. And I'm adding the LA Girl Black Gel Liner in the shade Whiten to the lower lash line. I'm adding the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara to the lower lashes. Adding a little bit of that MAC Single Shadow in Nylon to the tear duct to open up the eyes a little more. For falsies today, I'm using the J Lash Faux Mink Lashes in the style Madeline. Alright, and there you have it guys. This is the completed look. I truly loved how this came out. It really came out so bomb. I really recommend you guys to try this palette out and definitely give this look a try. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you head out, and you might as well hit the notification bell as well. I'll see you guys in the next video.